Open access journals. There is a lot of confusion among the researchers about open access journal. Open access journals are those journals which provide its contents. Contents mean which provide research articles, review papers, book chapters, books, and other documents free of cost for the readers. Readers mean like I am a readers, you are a readers, your students are readers, your teachers are readers. If somebody want to download any research article, if somebody want to read it online or download, it is free of cost. Such like the one example is ACS Omega. It is you can free download the research article from ACS Omega in all journals from MDPI. I'm going to show it, right? So this means that anybody, any researcher can go to these journals and read as much as articles. If they want to read 1,000 articles, it is free of cost. If they want to download 1,000 articles from ACS Omega or from MDPI, this is I just give two examples. There are many open access journals. So it is free of cost. You are not going to pay a small penny while downloading research articles, review paper, book, chapter, etc. Let me first show you open access journal and then I will come that why it is open or why it provide its contents free of cost for readers. This is the example of ACS Omega. So you can clearly see it has impact factor also here. You see it's a very good journal from ACS. And you can see here this ACS Omega is an open access journal. You see here, this is open access journal. Now let me go here. To its article. You will clearly see that it is free of access. For example, this is one article. Let me click here, and you will see here that there is no charge on it. It is free. PDF is free available here. You see here, this is the PDF here. So I can easily download here this article. It's such a great thing here. You see here, you can download PDF. You can easily download the PDF and you can also read it online, right? So this is open access journal. Similarly, let's go to MDPI. You see MDPI, publisher of open access journal. Let me click. Here are a lot of journals in MDPI. You see here, this is MDPI. If you come here, a lot of journals, sustainability, applied sciences, sensors, molecule, you cannot even count. You see here, all these are basically open access journal. Let me get to sensors, for instance. If I go to sensor, it has also impact factor. You see here, and all its articles are free of cost. You want to read this article, you can also read online here, no problem. Or if you want to download it, you can download it, right? So all articles are basically free of cost in open access journal. Now let's go basically back to our topic here, that why the data is available online free of cost. Why these open access journal provide the data free of cost? The answer is very, very simple. Because they charge the authors, those researchers who want to publish in open access journal, they basically charge them. They take some money from them. The money may be paid by the authors, the money may be paid by the organization, like in case of Pakistan, our Higher Education Commission, and the money may be paid from some other funding agencies, right? So they basically pay to that publisher. Like for example, I want to publish in ACS Omega, I have to pay to some money to ACS Omega. So because of that reason, they make it my article free of cost for the readers, right? Because they take money from me. If you want to publish in ACS Omega, so ACS Omega is open access journal. So this means you have to pay to ACS Omega. And if you want to publish in MDPI journals, so you have to pay to MDPI. This is why they make it available free of cost for the readers. Those who want to read that article, so it will be free. Why it will be free? Because the MDPI or the ACS Omega took money from me.